I believe in tech god. See you around. And I assume you do too. He'll pull through in this video where I'll explain why there is reason to hope that Tesla stock will keep rising if you're a Tesla investor or bull. This may not be the best time to be optimistic, but there is some good news to keep your faith alive. Although there were concerns about Tesla's market demand, new information shows that the company is still seeing healthy demand for its vehicles. This is an opportunity you don't want to pass up. The trend we've seen in the last few days and end of a month in solid numbers, both the stock price and customer demand for Tesla have been on the decline recently. Tesla's Model Y stock in the US has been steadily declining. According to the latest corporate data, the demand for Tesla is significantly higher than anybody could have predicted even a few years ago. And as manufacturing of electric cars increases, this will help both Tesla and its rivals retain their dominant positions in the market. If their Model Y is one of Tesla's best-selling products, as of the end of October, sales stood at approximately 87,936 units, down from 90,603 for the whole of 2017. Tesla's Berlin, Germany facility opened in March and has been turning out about 2,000 cars per week since then. The question is whether or not Tesla's success in other markets indicates that there isn't a problem with demand for its products. Let's find out, but not before you hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like this kind of content. Investors were left wondering if Tesla's lower than expected quarterly sales was a sign of problems with demand. Elon Musk, the CEO, has expressed his intention to see yearly sales growth of approximately 50%. Nevertheless, he expects to come up just short of that goal this year. Rate. Majority of Tesla's car offers are doing well in every one of the company's international marketplaces. In the third quarter, automakers sold almost 200 Zero models globally for a total of nearly 500 Zero vehicles sold. This indicates that in October, Tesla's models outsold longstanding best-selling models worldwide. This suggests that the SUV is moving in the proper way. The best-selling CUV in China in September, according to the China Passenger Car Association, was the Model Y. Furthermore, 29 367 model iCars were sold, which is a 227 unit increase over the same period last year. In Germany alone, 3,878 new Tesla Model 3 registrations been made this month. This vehicle output, which has increased dramatically due to a large ramp up at most Gigafactories, is below what Tesla needs to score. New improvements to the manufacturing line have made it possible for the Shanghai factory to significantly boost model output. The decline in Model Y stock in the US market could be explained by Tesla's recent price reduction. Tesla has recently lowered the price of the Model 3 in the US as a delivery credit for Tesla vehicles that are already on the market. Customers of Tesla can now get a discount on any model that is now in stock. It looks like Tesla is getting close to rhythm with its 4,680 battery cell production line. The battery team at Tesla successfully produced 868 Zero cells in 7 days, according to a company representative. This would be similar to producing battery packs for more than 1,000 electric vehicles. The manufacturer of electric cars, Tesla, acknowledged 4,680 workers in a tweet commemorating a corporate milestone, and also featured a few images of the groups in charge of the accomplishment. Since introducing the battery cells almost 2 years ago, Tesla has attempted to increase production and sales of over 1,000 cars, implying that this battery cell is better than the 2170 cells the company now uses. This may seem like a little accomplishment given the size of Tesla's operations, but it was probably only possible with the first 4,680 production lines, indicating more output in the upcoming months. Is the worst of Tesla's situation finally behind us, despite the fact that the company probably has more pressing issues to deal with? Due to the political unrest in China, the company has taken control of the auto industry. Due to the increase of COVID-19 instances that have been documented, Tesla decided to halt most activities at its Gigafactory in Shanghai during the final week of December. But the changeover happened earlier, and the company hasn't provided an explanation for the halt. Some workers say they were told by the factory that the morning shift was canceled and they could start their break right away. One of the company's most important production sites is the Gigafactory for Tesla, located in Shanghai. Due to the production of its most popular vehicles, the Model 3 and Model 2, Tesla may become less competitive, and the business may experience a decline in demand and a slowdown in Tesla's second biggest. The market has made the company's inventory problems worse. Consequently, local demand can be negatively impacted if auto sales drop in the ensuing months. However, since it was previously reported that Tesla intended to continue producing the Model I electric crossover at the Shanghai Gigafactory for an extended period of time, the company could avoid this problem if the Gigafactory has been producing cars for international markets rather than giving local market demands priority. This current production stoppage might be connected to the plant's anticipated output reduction of about 30 in December 2022. It's thought that the old-time maker's growth in 2023 will be directly tied to its capacity, much as suppliers increased production. By year's end has helped Tesla's battery supply issues improve over the previous 12 months. Texas ought to have produced more each week than Pato did. One recent achievement could mean that some of the challenges Tesla faced in trying to boost the volume manufacture of these battery cells has been addressed by the Ultimaker. It's unknown how long the improved acceleration will last. Even James Katz, who has previously criticized Tesla for its 4680 manufacturing, acknowledges that the bulls believe the automaker is outperforming expectations with its cells. It's simple to criticize Tesla's 2024 quarter commitments without keeping in mind that the company established aggressive deadlines. When everything is considered in perspective and honestly examined, a Twitter user continued, Tesla's work on the 4680 is staggering. People often forget that this is a completely new commercial venture for Tesla and that battery construction is not an easy task. As stated in the tweet, building lithium-ion batteries at the EV grade on a large scale required a great deal of technical know-how. Only 5 large producers worldwide make up the majority of the industry's output, 77%. In the highly concentrated economic environment of today, a new supply chain is needed. Just take a look at what Tesla has managed to do in the last 2 years. Despite all of Tesla's outstanding obstacles, current production of this battery technology is expected to commence in the next years. Let's consider this in light of. To what extent has Tesla manufactured 4,680 production cells in total? According to a tweet from the company, Tesla stated that the 868 Zero cells produced over the last 7 days were used in more than 1,000 electric cars. At the moment, the only model with 4,680 type battery cells is a Texas-made Tesla Model I. Previously, we heard that the facility produced a cumulative number of 1,004,680 type cells in February, and that was since production started in 2020. We don't know what the cumulative number is right now, but after 10 months, it should be more than 10 million units if we combine the most recent news with the earlier information, which indicates that tests like the ones GigAddicts planned have produced 3,000 Model I cars per week. Turns out that only approximately 1/3 of the remaining models have 40,680 type battery cells. What do you think about this? Please share your thoughts about Tesla in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe. In the upcoming video,